Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, with another new lecture of Basic Electronics ET263. We will discuss, as we were discussing in the previous lectures, about the basic FET functions, and we studied out the N channel FET and P channel FET. The next postulate of our course outline is now the characteristic curve of junction field effect transistors. So here we have this curve, which is representing the main points from 0 to this arrowhead to right, that is voltage drain to source voltages. Here we have point 0 to this arrowhead, we have the drain current. This is basically the two ratios between the drain current and the drain to source voltages. We create this curve over here. These are the two, this point, from this point to B point, basically the VP, that is the pinch of voltages, and from point A, where the curve is bending, point A to point B, this is basically a curve AB. We will study out this also. From point B to point C, this is the saturation region, and from C to D, this is burnout region of the channel. So we will study out today in this lecture about the junction field effect characteristic curves region. Those are number one, ohmic region, number two, AB curve or curve AB, saturation region, and number third, that is breakdown region. And also two extra points, those are VP, those are pinch off voltages, and also we will study about the IDSS. And this is a new thing, and it is the most important point over here. Ohmic region. When VDS is increasing, a linear increase take place in ID, that is drain current. This increase is shown between point O to point A. Point O to point A. This is a linear increase when the drain to source voltages are increasing. This, from this point to this point before bending, is known as the ohmic region. The number two, that is AB curve. When channel resistance increases on increasing voltage drain to source, as a result drain current increases, but the curve bends. Where is the curve bending? Basically, when we increase the voltages, the current also increases. But what happened? It is basically opposite to Ohm's law, little bit. But what happens, that curve bends on the this state. As we were watching over here, this curve is bending at this position, and we have a curve AB over here due to little bit the bending of a curve AB. Now, saturation region, when drain current does not change on increasing voltages from drain to source. Here we are watching that voltages from drain to source are increasing, but the drain current is not changing its position, and took up a completely straight line over here from point B to point C is basically the saturation region. What is breakdown region? Breakdown region, the maximum level of drain to source voltages will increase drain current to maximum level, which will result into burnout of the channel. As a result, what happens when all the voltages are at their maximum level and the current is also on the maximum level? Then what happens? The channel burnout. This position is known as the breakdown region. Here we have from C to D point. This is basically the burnout region of the channel. VP, we have seen over there this VP position. VP is basically pinch of voltages, the specified ratio of drain to source voltages on which drain current remains constant. That is called pinch of voltages. What is IDSS? Here we have IDSS. IDSS is the abbreviation of drain to source saturation current. Drain to source saturation current, the ratio of field effect transistor current on which more variation or change is not possible. This is called IDSS. and I'm hopeful that you may understand this lecture. And if you found any kind of problem, you may ask me on my Google Classroom or on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.